Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix TikTok zero views, which means if you upload a video on TikTok and you didn't see a view on your TikTok video and very few views, then you have to remember that some guidelines while uploading TikTok video. So I'm going to show you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply do some necessary settings in your profile. The first setting is you have to make sure that your account is not converted to private account, or you have to make sure that it is official account and you do not have a business account or anything, because if you convert your account to business account, then it will be only for your business and it will YouTube TikTok will not promote that your content. So after that, you have to also check that you share your profile on all the social media profiles to your friends and all the social media platforms. And after that, there is also another option of ads, which means you can also advertise your Facebook, your TikTok profile, so that new people come to you and see your video. So next is you have to remember some guidelines while uploading the video. For example, if you upload a video, you have to make sure that you have edit that video very well and you have to provide a good sound for that video, which is a trending sound, and you also make videos on trending topics, and you have to also add some location to your video so that TikTok video also reach that location. Moreover, you can also check that whether it is set on only you or everyone or your friends, which means if you set to it only you, then it will also not get any kind of view on TikTok. So you have to make sure that you select the everyone in this option, and after that you have also provide some hashtags in your post so that it can reach many people related to that topic you upload a video. Hashtag provides great reach to TikTok video, so you have to make sure that you also add, and you have to write a good description of your video with hashtag. In this way, you can reach more and more people on TikTok. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, kindly subscribe our channel.